folks, my name is Rob with AT Equipment. I'm here to show you your 1999 F550 4x2 bucket truck with an Altec AT37-G boom. Okay, first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and start the vehicle. Engage your emergency brake. You also have your hydraulic braking system here. See, it's locked. Your PTO here. Truck machine, that's engaged. Department lights, cargo lights. Your front and rear beacon lights. Let's go ahead and turn your flashers on. Does have outriggers. Here we have your driver's side outriggers lever. There's your passenger side outrigger lever. I'm going to go ahead and lower your outriggers at this time. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you your lower and upper controls. Here you have your lower controls. It's down for lower. Up to operate your upper controls. Your boom up and down. You rotate clockwise and counterclockwise. Your boom out, in and out. Your arm raise and lower. You also have your start stop here. You raise and hold. DC pump will engage. Release, wait for a second. Hit the switch again. The vehicle will start back up. I'm going to show you your bucket controls here. To your left you have your articulating arm, raise and lower. Your platform leveling, raise and lower. You have your start, stop, and DC pump to the left. Your tool circuits there. Throttle control. You have your tool circuit to turn on right there, your lever. You have your emergency lowering valve to the right there. And there you see your joystick functions. I'm going to go ahead and apply it from your lower and upper controls at this time. Sorry. Got to raise your outriggers now. Okay, we're going to go ahead and shut your vehicle down now. Shut your PTO off. Shut all the other work lights off. Shut your hydraulic brake system off. Emergency brake. Shut the vehicle down. It's the interior of the vehicle. Driver's side steer tire. There's your engine compartment. Your passenger side steer tire. Your passenger side compartment. There's some dividers for you. Passenger side rear tires. Driver's side compartments. Driver's side compartments. Here's your last driver's side compartment. Thank you for choosing ID Equipment. Enjoy your vehicle.